So we are done with ant repellent. That is our onions and our bicarbonate of soda. That's a mouthful. But we want to do another one that is going to repel roaches. They are the worst and they are most dangerous. Ants are crying. So let's get into the tidbits for getting rid of them. And you have to get rid of them early, otherwise if they become like an army, this is no stopping them. You have to probably get somebody to come and fumigate. But when you start seeing them, in fact, don't even see them, just try and, because kitchen there, because of food and all that, the particles, especially if you don't clean after yourself every day, they'll find a way in there. So I mean, the kitchen there, even if you don't clean anywhere in the house every day, anytime you use the kitchen, you have to try and sweep and mop and dust and things like that, sanitize, because majority of the insects we have around the house, they can't stand the smell of vinegar. That's why I love it. 3 days ago I had ants because there was sugar on my counter, thanks to my big boy. So I had to just clean it up, and then I used vinegar and they were long gone. So try it. So let's get into it. So what we need is again bicarbonate of soda and sugar. Bicarbonate of soda and sugar, sucre, and we're going to do measurements again. So this one we're doing 2 tablespoons against 1.5 of sugar. So 2 tablespoons of no baking soda, and when the egg passes on it, or what do they call it, you open it for a while, it becomes cloggy, so like a bobo. So you try and break it up, or you can just sift it through like a sieve or any sifting thing you have. But mine is wet, so I've just used it for my juice, so I cannot use it for this purpose. Okay, so I have to use another spoon because this one is okay. So you add another 1.5, so that's 3 teaspoons. And then you mix it up. Shit. Sorry, some is all over, but I mean it's fine. So you mix it. You make sure it's a bit sweet so that they will enjoy it. It's called sugar bomb. This is called sugar bomb. So once they enjoy it, it's eventually going to blast their stomach. Okay, so since it's edible, I'm going to try it. Oh, sharp. I'm going to add a bit more sugar because it's a bit sharp. Okay, cool. So some of the sugar went out, so I've added more. Okay, so if you see this, you might think it's either sugar or salt, powdered sugar. So when they see it, they think that, oh, I've gotten some sugar, let me go and enjoy. Let me go and enjoy it. And then they are finished. So this is what you do. When it is thoroughly mixed, you put that in a bowl and put water by the side. So did ya Anna. So once they are done enjoying the sugar and the bicarbonate of soda, they might want to drink some water. Once they sip on the water, blow it up for me. So the process is just to get rid of them. So they eat, drink water, and it bumps them. So try the sugar bump so that you can get rid of the tiny what's it called, roaches in your house. They are not good. They can give you all kinds of problems. So put them alongside. Like if you put this one here, you put one on the side. I don't have any issues with roaches, but I have done it just as a demonstration for you to see how it's done. So you put them together. So after eating, you drink water, and then that's the end of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment on our social media pages. Thank you and enjoy.